Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video is a review. This is coming from a shop on Amazon. Everything will be linked down below, but they reached out to me and wanted me to show these off on camera. So it is a wax seal kit, and it came in this box, and it actually shipped. It got to my house in less than 24 hours, which is really awesome. And so what it comes with is it had 2 packs of these candles, which I already tested these out so you could see what they look like. It comes with these little plastic tweezers, and then the spoon, which obviously is dirty because I used it. And I chose like the blue hue one. There's a pink one and I think like a brown version, but all these colors, and it was really affordable outside of being sent these, but it's a really good deal, I think. And I love all the different shades that it allows you to test out and see what colors you really like, or just have a nice variety. I really like all of these blues. And I really love this really pale green. There's the yellows. And of course, it's not just blues. So we've got like the blue, like toned colors. So like these, have like, like the pinks that have like the blue undertones in them. But they're really, really pretty. I really love this pale one. There's like a metallic one in here. There's also this like teal that has that metallic look. And you get a good amount in each little thing. And of course the nice snapping container, so it's easily organized. Now I will say it's awesome that it comes with the spoon, but it's small. So it's gonna make, here's the example coming from this spoon. Now that's not bad. That's totally fine. I mixed, I want to say, I think this green and the light green together, because I wanted to see like a two-tone. So this is, I didn't color on these, but this is what it looks like. So pretty. So yeah, I think it's a great deal, and I don't really know what these are supposed to be used for, but I really liked this. So this is the ones that I tested out because I wanted to play with those blues. So this one I got a little chunky, but I used my other spoon that holds a little more wax. I'm not the best at wax sealing. I think this one turned out, I think, the best. But, it's fun to play around, and I'll keep playing with them until I get better. But that is what those turned out like. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to the company that wanted to collaborate with me. And until next time, happy crafting!